Space Pizza. Way out in space, high above the Earth, the spaceship Star Sprout glided past stars and planets. Inside, two best friends, Mila and Mo, floated in zero gravity on their latest science adventure. Everything was calm, until Mo's tummy gave a loud, gurgly grumble. "I'm cooking today," Mo announced, spinning through the cabin with excitement. "Pizza?" Mila laughed. Mo nodded. "Yup, space pizza." Suddenly, the kitchen lights flickered on, and a glowing AI robot named Pixie appeared. With twinkly eyes and spinning gear wings, Pixie AI was more than just smart. He was their best helper in the galaxy. "Good afternoon, chefs," Pixie AI said with a cheerful blink. "Let's see what we've got." Mila opened the floating food lockers. No pepperoni, no mozzarella, no mushrooms, but flatbread, a pouch of space tomato sauce, slices of star squash, tofu cubes, and a bag of spinach leaves. "Perfect," Pixie AI beamed. "We'll cook a pizza that's tasty and healthy." Mo spread tomato sauce across the flatbread with a magnetic spoon. "Tomatoes give your body vitamin C to fight off space colds," Pixie explained. Then came the star squash. Squash is full of fiber to keep your belly happy. Mo added soft tofu cubes that floated gently down. Tofu gives your body protein, great for strong space muscles. Mila added the final touch, little green spinach rockets. Spinach gives you iron to carry oxygen through your body. With the pizza ready, Pixie AI activated the solar oven. In seconds, the space kitchen filled with golden light and delicious smells. The pizza floated out, hot, crispy, and bursting with colorful toppings. It looked like a mini planet made of yum. Mila took a bite. This is amazing." Mo grinned, even without pepperoni. Pixie's eyes glowed pink. Smart choices, teamwork, and a sprinkle of fun. That's how you make space pizza. And as they munched and giggled with Earth twinkling below, one thing was clear. Even in space, a little creativity and help from AI can turn simple food into something truly out of this world.